Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the map of the present and future. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is an empathy tool. It got the following characteristics. Defines the points of conflict and identify the wishes of the user involved in a project. This tool allows you to analyze the current situation of a user and see what they wishes and how you could and would like to be. The exercise must be performed directly by the user and the team must be analyzing the results and see how you can approach the project. This tool is used in the empathy stage in the project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so this tool is extremely important because it needs the cooperation of your user. So it's very important that you involve him. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know and you need to ask is what are you going to analyze? So the matrix and the whole map is divided into parts, present and future. But it's extremely important that when you are telling your user to help you in this research, you need to be specific which day are you going to do, how long it will take the activity, and be very specific with the need and time that you're gonna ask or you're going to request. It's very important during the development of the tool that you take pictures or photographs so and they are printed or digital so the user can put it wherever they see fit. And of course, the user is the one who has to put the photographies over the matrix. So this is the matrix. You start with the present. You got this line, which is time. It means that is something happy and that is something sad. So the user will put the picture when they are seeing the interaction when they see fit. So it means that in these situations here, they are having a good time. But in these situations here, they are not having a good time. So the idea is that first you do this and then you use the same um, map and you will ask your user what they will like and how they will feel it. So the idea here is that everything is above this line. It's over it. So that is prospecting how what they wish. After that, you need to analyze the results and ask your team how are you going to direct the project. It means we have these 3 points that are a problem right now, they want it over here. How are we going to do that? This kind of tool is important when the situation that you are doing, if you're doing a redesign, it's very important. If you are starting a project, it's really important. That is why it's on the first stage of the empathy stage with design thinking or any other agile methodology. However, it's very important that you keep in mind that this tool is only recommend if you are working with something that is very complex and you have enough resources to try to change it and make it something very possible. Because if the reach of the project is short and the decisions that you want to make are very expensive and you don't have how to do it, I strongly recommend that you use something different and more simple. This is for complex situation and when you have a big budget. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the analysis, it's very important to determine the focus of the project to know how we'll be able to improve a user experience. Success in using this tool is focused on the user feel free to share their experience as they see fit. That is very important because the idea here is that they do whatever they feel is right. So that is very important. Must be determined analysis and decisions making relevant to improve the user experience. So that will help you a lot. Thank you so much. I hope this video is a big help for your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Instagram. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.